What's the meaning of crown princess? Crown princess. Crown princess.
Crown princess. Crown princess. A crown princess is a female heir to the throne in a monarchy. She is the daughter of the current king or queen and is next in line to ascend to the throne upon their parents' death or abdication. Crown princesses have important roles in royal life, typically serving as public figures and ambassadors for their countries. They may also have duties related to government and ceremonial events. In some monarchies, the title of crown princess may be replaced by other titles such as princess royal or heir presumptive, depending on the country's laws and traditions.